How to enable strict mode on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are into Android development or just curious about some of the hidden tools your phone has, today's video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to enable strict mode right on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, we need to enable developer options. So if you haven't already, simply open the settings and from here simply tap on About Phone, and once you see the interface like this, simply find the build number and tap on it 7 times until it says you are now a developer. And after that, simply go back to the main settings menu and tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for the developer options, and here you can see that options, so simply tap on that. And once you are inside the developer options, simply scroll down until you find the option labeled as strict mode, and here once you found that option, simply toggle it on. And now what this does is it will flash the screen anytime an app does something it shouldn't, like running long operations on the main thread. So think of it like a visual warning system for lag or a UI jank. And that's it. Now you should know how to enable strict mode on your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.